What's up, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy LB, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your text behind an object. So we are going to see two ways in Adobe Premiere Pro how you can add your text into behind subject. So in this timeline, so I have two different clips. So this is my first clip, you see around this location, okay, and I have another one which is two, okay. So we are going to use those two different kinds of footage, and then we see those two methods how you can move your text behind an object. So as you see here for this first clip, the things I have to do, I have to add the text behind this mountain, okay, and then the text will come from behind this mountain going to up. So the things I have to do, guys, I'm going to duplicate this video clip, okay. So by holding Alt on your keyboard, and then you press left click on your mouse, and then you just moving up like this. So now click on this top layer, so and then go here on this opacity. I'm going to use this free draw bezel, and then about this free draw bezel, guys, I'm going to select this mountain only, okay, something like this, okay. So let me try to zoom, go here on fit in order to zoom it well, something like this, and then I'm going to select this mountain like this, guys. Here this method, it works for the footage which is fixed, okay. And then if you have like footage which is moving, and I will show you the way you can do it, okay. So and then let me just select this mountain, because I told you the text will comes behind this mountain and then moving up to the sky. So alright, guys, and then I have already select my mountain, something like this. So now the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to add my text. For example, let me go on this text, let me type any text I want, okay. Let me type like text, something like this, okay. You select it all. So first let me change the color, cause it is very white, okay. So let me add a color, red color here like this, and then let me try to give them font which is very bigger, okay. Okay, let me give them this, okay, and then let me give it bigger, guys, okay. So now, guys, you see here this text is not behind this mountain, and then the things you have to do, you have to put it under of this layer which we have been masked. So now let me move it up, something like this. Now you see how this text it is, now it is going down, okay. So now I have to click on this text, and then I'm going to animate by using this position. So I have to move it down, something like this, okay. So then let me move this blue line here at the beginning of my clip, okay, and they have to add keyframe where this keyframe is where my text will be starting, okay. So it is gonna be starting behind of this mountain, then moving up, okay. So now I have to jump like a few frames, something like this. So here they becomes blurred, okay. Let me start it by here, okay. It will be ended by here, and then I move this line up, okay. Now you see the second frame, it is the second keyframe, it is already created, okay. Now when I try to play, guys, now you see how my text is coming behind from this mountain, okay, coming up, something like this, okay. You see this is very nice things, okay. So and then also, guys, you see there is some edges here, okay. So the things you have to do, you can just come here on this clip, and then you can click mask feather, something like this, or you can feather it, or you can just put your feather into 0, okay. But you have to smooth just a little bit, yeah, in order to look like real, right? So and then this is the first way you can use for adding your text behind subject, okay, guys. So and then I'm going to show you the second way, okay. So now let me come here on this second clip too, okay, because I just want to add my text here on this wall, okay. This subject and this chair will be in front of my text, okay. And also the things I have to do, guys, and I'm going to duplicate this layer 2 again, holding Alt on your keyboard, and then press or hold left button on your mouse and then move it up in order to duplicate this layer. Okay, and also I'm going to create the text. Okay, so let me type, for example, like animation. Okay, something like this, and then let me try to put it bigger, something like this. All right, and then you extend how long this text is. And also guys, this layer which we have been duplicated, and then you have to move it up, something like this. Okay, so now that means the text, always the text must be must go between those two clips. Okay, so this layer of the text must go between of these two clips. Okay, and then come here on this effect guys, and then I'm going to search the effect which is called the color key. So then you have to drag this color key and then drop it here on this top layer. Okay, and then you have to click here on it, because you see this is the color key settings, and I'm going to use this icon. Okay, so this icon I have to click on, I have to click it where my text will be. Okay, or where my text will attach. Okay, so as I told you, my text will attach on this wall. Okay, so and then this subject will be in front of my text, so that reason why I have to click here on this wall. Okay, so when I click here on it, you see guys, my text is gonna be coming. So and I'm going to use this color tolerance and then edge thin in order to bring my text it where you see guys it becomes here in front of my subject. So that reason why I have to prevent it. Okay, something like this, and then I have to move just a little bit. Yeah, something. Now you see guys, okay, my text is already attaching on wall guys. So and then this is the second way you can use for attaching your text. Okay, but you have to make sure the wall, it has the different color with your subject. So the reason why something is becoming okay, because this skin tone is gonna be the same with this wall. Okay, but you have to make sure your wall, it has some different color with your subject. Okay, in order. Okay, so when I try to move my text down, something like this guys, now you see, now it is going to attach well on this wall, something looks good. Okay, this is the second way for adding the text behind your subject in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop the comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will see you in next video. Peace.